What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing the longest yeet sound effect in the world. I hope. I've never done this before, so I'm going to try and do it. Got no water. I'm out on my screened-in porch at night. Ready? Yeet! Yep. It's a long time. Longest time I've ever done. So, I'm going to talk to you guys a little more. So, please, if you guys have not liked and subscribed right now, I would love you to. I would literally do anything. If you guys want me to throw a pillow at my head, I'll do that. You want me to bonk my head into a wall, I'll do that on video. Don't worry. Please like and subscribe.